In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the 5 biggest mistakes people make when using ClickUp and how to fix them. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful tool, but without a clear strategy, your workspace can quickly become overwhelming and disorganized. Understanding these common pitfalls and knowing how to address them can make a huge difference in your productivity and overall experience. Let's start with the issue of a disorganized hierarchy. A common mistake is to randomly create folders and lists without any plan in place. This often leads to chaos, making it difficult for your team to find what they need. The solution is to plan your hierarchy before diving in. Think of spaces as the big categories, such as departments within your organization. Then, use folders to break these down into specific projects and lists for the tasks within those projects. This approach not only provides a logical system, but also helps everyone know exactly where to look for what they need. Now, let's move on to the pitfall of overcomplicating everything. ClickUp offers a multitude of features, and it's tempting to use them all at once, from a myriad of statuses to complex automations. However, this can be overwhelming, especially for new users. So, start with the basics. Opt for a simple workflow that includes to do, in progress, and complete. This streamlined approach will help your team get comfortable with the platform. You can always build in more complexity gradually, as familiarity increases. The next mistake involves relying too heavily on task titles. Many users tend to cram all essential information, like client names or budget details, directly into the task title. Instead, take advantage of custom fields. These allow you to store structured data systematically, which makes it easier to filter, sort, and generate reports on your work. This method not only keeps your task titles clean, but also enhances your ability to manage and review tasks effectively. Another crucial misstep is neglecting the power of dashboards. If you find yourself constantly jumping between different lists to track your work, it's time to build a My Day dashboard. This should serve as your central command center, offering a high-level overview of everything you need to focus on. With all essential information in one place, you'll waste less time searching and more time executing. Finally, don't underestimate the power of templates. Many users create the same tasks and subtasks manually for every repeatable workflow, which is time-consuming and prone to errors. Creating task templates can bring consistency and efficiency to your workflow. Templates help ensure that nothing gets missed, save you precious time, and make repeatable tasks far more manageable. By addressing these 5 common mistakes, you can transform your ClickUp experience, enhancing both organization and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these adjustments can make all the difference in keeping your workflow smooth and productive. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips to optimize your workflow.